And welcome back to Frankenstein's Lab. Today's kind of a monumental day. We have the body over the chassis. Do a little walk around here. Firewall's pretty much positioned where it's going to go, other than having to come down a few inches, about 7 or 8 inches. We have a little bit of a gap here to deal with, but that'll be fine. The original Cadillac rocker boxes are going to fit down inside of the Yukon boxes, and I'm going to fabricate new rocker panels for it. Go around the side here. The rear portion of the floor pan I haven't cut yet, so that's why there's interference here. So that'll be cut shortly and we'll get it down a little further. Wheel wells are lining up pretty decently. Go around back here. The rear floor pan's much longer than what I need, so we'll be cutting off about 10 or 11 inches of rear floor pan. So far, it looks like the mechanicals were mostly going to clear. So I may have to do something with the power brake booster. I'm not certain of that yet until we get the fenders on. We'll go around the lift here and get a better look. So the power brake booster extends beyond where the firewall is, but that's where the fender attaches. And the fender may give me enough space to let the booster remain. If not, I'll go to a hydro boost, which will give me tons of room. So that's what a 6.2 looks like inside a 41 Cadillac. Pretty badass if you ask me.